Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Small Engine Velocity. If you've watched this video up here, one of these sides right here, then you know that my helmet was stolen a long time ago over at a courthouse. Long story, I'm not getting that one ever back again. So what I need to do, when it was stolen, it took my GoPro and all the gear, mics, and everything inside of it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take my old helmet right here, redo the mount, which this is leftover pieces that I couldn't get. I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up inside of here again. On the inside, I got a new mount for the front. You can't really see it inside of here. This one's made of aluminum. I got another purple Panda mic. This is literally the 5th mic I've bought of this kind. This is the best lavalier mic for your helmet that you could buy with human money or Bitcoin, if you have Bitcoin. And then I got, instead of the adapter for the GoPro, the one that comes off the USB port, since this is a Hero 8, which by the way, this Hero 8 right here, I know it looks like the screen's broken because I've got black stuff in there, but it is not broken. It just looks like that from right here. This is loaned to me by Brad from Friction Zone, one of my old friends from forever. He let me borrow this so that I could start doing motovlogs again. Oh yeah, so instead of getting that piece, I got the Hero 8, the media mod that you can put on that has the port on it. So let's go ahead, get the intro started, and then we'll come back and we'll build all of this really quick so that we can get back to motovlogging again. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so the hardest part about getting Motovlog is the audio. So here is the media mod that it comes with. If you look at it, it's basically a harness that goes around the camera with a front-facing mic if you ever use it on here as kind of a vlogging camera or something. So if we open this up, hey look, media mod comes with mounting pieces. That's kind of cool. Didn't expect that. So here's the media mod. It just basically fits around the GoPro. So it flips open like this. You take the original cover off here. Don't lose it. Right there. So it exposes the USB port on the side. Oh wait, there's no battery. Hold on. Yay, battery. Okay, so I don't mean to go in too much detail about the media mod, but what's really important about the media mod is if you look on the back, there's a microphone jack for the microphone that's going to go inside of the helmet. That's what's important. That's all this is. So let me put this together real quick. There you go. Mic on the front if I need it. But what's important, headphone jack back here. Okay, next, let's skip the microphone because we're going to wire that up later. This is the stand for the front. I got this one in aluminum from Amazon. By the way, a link for all the things I have will be below, just in case. Easy to open packaging. All right, and here is the part that's important. I probably don't need this piece right here. Here, the bottom part, because I'm just gonna hook that up to a plastic one, because I have my, oh my God, dog. Shadow! The original mount I have is epoxied to this helmet, so we're not going to use that. Take this off. Comes with a convenient wrench. Unfortunately, the wrench doesn't work, so I'm going to use a screwdriver. I like the idea that it's aluminum. I feel like it shouldn't break. The new one on. Hopefully it fits. Tolerances are super tight. The thing I don't like about modern GoPros is this, the bottom mount is built in. I mean, yes, it's a convenience for some people, but that means every time I want to use the GoPro, I have to take it off my helmet and then modify it. Take it off by using a screw instead of just popping it out with the old case. But hey, you know, beggars can't be choosers. I'm gonna use one of these hand tighten ones here so that when I want to take the GoPro off, I don't have to go find a screwdriver. Take a short one off the old mount And then let's work on centering it in the front. Let me lower the camera a bit. Ideally what I want is not the whole camera in the middle, but the lens in the middle. If I could do that, then I would win. And then still keep it away from my face. So this looks good right here. If I look down from the top, it looks fairly tilted. I need it lower. There you go. That's good. Tighten this one. The camera looks still lined up. And ideally also, whenever your head is in this position, like that. Right, okay, let's tilt it a little too high. And then you kind of want the camera far away from the helmet so that you can still reach your controls. And then when you're flipping your helmet down, it's not, whenever this gap is too small, sometimes the helmet lid will catch on it. So we can micro adjust it later on. I don't know how many of you are going to even watch this video about me making a Motovlog helmet, but these are pretty decent tips. Tighten the swing. And then another thing you also want to make note of is that when you put the helmet down, you don't want it to touch. So that looks pretty good. Eye is pretty much in the middle. Pretty hand tightening one because it's too short. For now, we're just gonna use the screw. I know I'll regret that later. So helmet's like this, wearing it, and it's slightly facing down, which is good. Does that guy look flat to you, or is it crooked? Looks crooked, right? Easy enough, right? So probably gonna keep this tool around somewhere on the helmet so that I can access it when I need it. There is a safety bungee to put on the camera just in case this falls off. I will not be doing that today. And now we're gonna look at the Purple Panda mic. Purple Panda! This thing's awesome. Best sound I've ever had. I don't care if it's a $25 microphone. It has great sound. Extension cable. Something to a micro USB. No one ever uses that. The dead cat in a bag. And the actual microphone is right here. We don't need this part. We don't need this fluffy thing. We will use the dead cat. This is what we call in the biz dead cat. You'd be surprised how well this takes away takes away wind noise. But putting it on, it's like trying to put a sock on a dog. Just like it's fighting you all the way. If you look here, there's two adapters. The microphone itself is the 3 black rings. This one is 2. I'm not sure if I need the 2 or the 3. I don't remember anymore. I'm gonna take a look at the old one. Hold on. So the old one is 2 rings, so that's what I need. I'm gonna have to get this out. Let me go ahead and put the microphone in. Before I put the lining in, then I'll show you what it looks like. So do me a favor and don't make fun of my helmet. This is my really, really old helmet that I have to use again. So you can see the cable come out here to the TRRS adapter into here. Then I ran the wire all the way out. And you might be asking why all the way out the back. And just to bring the microphone right back here again is because I don't know if you've ever put anything under the liner of your helmet. Like if I just bunch this up into a big ball and shove it under there, you can feel it. So what I normally do is I take the wire and I just line it around the helmet all the way around to the other side, and then you won't feel anything inside of there. So really, this makes it easy with this media mod, is because all I have is a port that goes in here to the adapter, pull the cord through, put the mic here, and close it, and button everything back together. So let's do that. All right, so here's the final look. I might try to tuck in that camera a little bit closer, but generally I like it when it sticks out like that. It makes things easier whenever I'm trying to make adjustments or anything like that. So let's try to put the helmet on real quick and see if I could feel any of those cords in the back of my head. It's kind of a weird view of my garage, but anyways, here's the helmet. Let's put it on. Open up the front. Alright. I do not feel the cables, and that's what's most important. I don't know if you've ever motovlogged with stuff underneath the liner of your helmet, which is probably a no. This feels good. Maybe I shouldn't have picked aluminum. I just thought of it. It's a little bit heavier than the plastic, but it should be okay. So let's give it a shot and try to hit record. Can I push the button? Oh. Let me look in the mirror. Okay. It says it's recording. Yeah. Maybe the angle's a little bit low, but I'm hoping the quality of the microphone is good. Anyways, not much to show here with this particular video. I just wanted to really just show that I'm making a new motovlog helmet and I can do motovlogs again. It is a little front heavy, but that's okay. That's good. It's better than hopefully whenever I'm riding that the wind stays pretty good as far as moving forward. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for motovlogs that are going to be coming soon. So yay, we can get it back to business again. Happy 2022, and I'll see you in the next video.